Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student of class 9th. Hope all of you are fine. Student, as you know that we are learning the chapter 8 of your biology textbook, which is about nutrition. The previous topic which we studied was the importance of fertilizers on page 142. In this topic, we studied the definition of fertilizer and the two types of fertilizers: organic fertilizer, which originates from the organisms, both plant organisms and animal organisms, and inorganic fertilizers, which originates from the rock salts, phosphate, elemental sulfur and gypsum. Now we will study the environmental hazards related to these fertilizers when used in the excess amount. So we know that excess of everything is bad, and the same is true about fertilizers. First of all, we will study the hazardous effect of inorganic fertilizers. So the point number 1 is that the massive quantities of inorganic fertilizers affect the soil nutrient holding capacity, which is fixed for the soil. When we apply these inorganic nutrients in excess amount, this soil nutrient holding capacity get disturbed. The second point is, due to the higher solubility of the inorganic fertilizers, they change the soil chemistry, which is called the eutrophication. Number 3, the storage and application of nitrogen fertilizers excess amount causes the nitrous oxide gas emission, which is a greenhouse effect, which is a greenhouse gas, and it affects the ozone layer, and as a result causes the environmental temperature. The excess amount of inorganic fertilizers causes the emission of the ammonia gas, which causes the damage to the lungs. And similarly, this extra ammonia also increases the acidity of the soil, and most of the plants cannot grow in this acidic soil. Excess nitrogen fertilizers can also lead to the pest problem, because nitrogen is the important nutrient for the pest to reproduce. So when this nutrient is available in excess amount, the reproduction rate of the pest will be high, which also cause damage to the crops. So if we want to avoid these problems, then it is recommended that the nutrient content of the soil and the nutrient requirement of the crop should be calculated before application of the inorganic fertilizers. Similarly, the excess amount of organic fertilizers also causes the nitrate leaching, that is, when there is no crops available in the soil after the cultivation of the crops, the nitrates remains in the soil, and with the rainwater these nitrate leach out underground water table, which affects the quality of the water also. So both the organic fertilizers and inorganic fertilizers causes the bad effects to the ecosystem. Student, as the plants have some nutrient requirements we studied, similarly the organisms, that is animals and including humans, also have some requirements of nutrients for their normal body growth, and these nutrients which are used mainly by humans include carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid, protein, minerals and vitamins. We will study these nutrients one by one in detail. Today we will study only one of the nutrient which is most important, that is carbohydrate, and this nutrient is the basic source of energy and it is required in large amount for the obtaining of energy, and about one carbohydrate contain 4 kilocalories per gram, that is 1 gram of carbohydrate contains 4 kilocalories of energy. So about 2/3 of the total calories every animal consume is provided by these carbohydrates. The most readily used carbohydrate is the glucose. The other form of glucose which we use for obtaining energy are maltose, lactose, sucrose and starch. स्टूडेंट होप सो कि आपको ये लेक्चर समझ आ गया होगा। अल्लाह ताला आपको इसको समझने में आसानी पैदा करे। और जो क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपके नोट्स में मेंशन किए हुए हैं, आप उन क्वेश्चंस को रिलेटेड टू इन टॉपिक्स जो मैंने आज समझाए हैं वीडियो से देख के समझें और अपनी नीट नोटबुक्स पे लिखें और मेमोराइज़ करें। थैंक यू।